Hillary Golden was no ordinary 20-year-old. Living in the quiet town of Silver Brook, she spent her days exploring abandoned buildings and dreaming of adventure. One sunny afternoon, wandering through the overgrown woods at the edge of town, she stumbled upon a strange, shimmering object half peeking from beneath a tangle of vines. Curiosity piqued, Hillary brushed away the leaves and uncovered a strange, ancient-looking pot. It was unlike anything she'd ever seen, metallic, with glowing runes etched around its circumference. But what caught her eye was the way the pot spun slowly on its own, as if being moved by some unseen force. As she reached out to touch it, the pot suddenly spun faster, emitting a soft hum that vibrated through the air. The runes glowed brighter, and the ground beneath her vibrated steadily. Hillary stepped back, heart pounding. The spinning pot lifted gently from the ground, floating midair. Suddenly, a swirling vortex of light erupted from the pot, revealing a shimmering portal. Through it, she saw distant galaxies and glittering crystals, floating cities, and machinery beyond her wildest dreams. The pot was no ordinary artifact. It was a gateway, a conduit to a universe of great possibilities. Hillary hesitated, but her curiosity overwhelmed her mind. With a deep concentration, she reached out and touched the glowing rim. Instantly, her surroundings glowed, and she was looking through a portal. She landed softly in a neon-luminous city, where robots and humans coexisted in harmony. The pot hovered beside her, spinning gently, as an ancient voice echoed in her mind. The spinning gold is a symbol of vast potential. You have unlocked a universe of opportunities, Hillary. The choice is yours. Stay and explore, or return to your world. Hillary looked around, eyes wide with wonder. She knew her life would never be the same. With a smile, she reached out to the spinning pot once more.